Hi, my gardening angels. I'm Jess, if you are new to my channel, and I just wanted to make a super simple, quick Valentine's Day gift for you. This is super easy. You don't have to know anything about succulents to do this other than following my simple tricks to pick out some healthy succulents, but otherwise anybody can really make this for their gardening loved one. So let's hop in.
Okay, so first off, when you're going and buying your succulents, I bought these from Home Depot, but they also sell them at Lowe's, or any local nursery would probably carry a few. I will include the names of each of these that I showed here in the description box down below if you're curious. But just make sure that there's no signs of rotting, and there's a video on that I can link you to below as well if you're curious on that. But I just showed you some pumice, and that is going to be used as a top dressing for this project. I just think it'll make the colors pop a little bit nicer, and it's also nice to have for the soil. The heart-shaped cardboard box I found from Target in the office supply section. I think it was about $5. I have a bowl just for any dead leaves or dirt, and then I also have some craft paper filling that I'm going to be using in the box. So just to kind of prep your succulents, one thing that you might want to do is just to look to see if there's any dead leaves that you see, because dead leaves will kind of make it unsightly, and you're going to remove that. Make sure that your succulents look as healthy as possible, because that's going to make them look as pretty as possible for this. Also, try not to touch the tops of the leaves on succulents. If you are new to succulents, they have a film on their leaves that protect them from the sun, and your fingerprints will be left behind. And so just try to avoid touching the leaves if you can, just because you don't want your fingerprints to be there. On this cactus, I just removed a little bit of the soil, and then I just wanted to fill it up with some pumice because I think they'll just make it look so much nicer. This pumice is also a really great additive to soil to make it better draining, so it also helps the succulents. I did this to all of the different plants, and then I started arranging them into the cardboard box. And this took me several attempts to do, as you'll see. I think this box would have been better built for 6 succulents of the same height, but with the moon cactus, it was a little bit more difficult because he was taller than the box was, and so I needed to lay him on his side. But I eventually figured it out, and so just play around with your plants. If you have to lay them down, maybe do that. But you could also play around with the fillers. Instead of using this craft paper, maybe you could use cut out hearts or maybe Hershey's Kisses, just something fun. But I hope you guys enjoyed this.